Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to unlink an external bank account from Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see a section for External Account. On its left side is an option for 3 horizontal dots. Click on the 3 horizontal dots. Then, a drop-down list will appear. Click on the Settings option. On this page, you will see the list of your external accounts. Click on the Delete button beside the external account you wish to remove. Then, a pop-up message will appear stating what will happen if you remove the selected external account. To continue, click on the Delete button. That's how you unlink an external bank account from Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.